Hello friends, we are watching various science fiction movies in Hollywood. Because these scenes from Hollywood movies startle anyone. But sad but true, most of the effects of these scenes. These are created through VFX technology. If these scenes were seen before the original before using VFX technology, many would probably skip watching Hollywood movies. But even then, almost all Hollywood movies use VFX technology. And in today's episode of Virtual Technology, we are going to see the VFX breakdown of some of the world-famous movies. I don't know if you will ever watch a Hollywood movie again. So welcome to another new episode of Virtual Technology. Siam is a superhero movie. The screenplay of this movie revolves around this person. The whole movie gets a superpower just by uttering a magical word. In this movie, more than 500 VFX shots were given to give Siam a realistic look. A popular scene from this movie shows Shazam Dr. Savannah fighting fiercely with each other in the void, and it was an aerial view. You would be surprised to know this scene was shot on a full blue screen, which you can see for yourself. There is no city or building here. Not only that, some of them are wearing blue-colored costumes and some of them are controlling them. Some of the staff wearing blue-colored costumes are floating them. You can even see how they are lifted with the help of a bar in the back to float them in the air. Although this scene looks very real on screen. Another monster can be seen in this movie. While it has been shot with some people wearing weird costumes and later CGI has been added to them. Another popular scene of this movie shows a bus falling down and Shazam protected, and this scene was also shot on blue screen with 5 to 6 buses, thus highlighting the CGI, VFX and visual effects Shazam character. Jumanji: The Next Level. Jumanji is a movie that may surprise anyone. However, the interesting scenes of this movie, from the attack of camel birds to the giant anaconda hippopotamus and the terribly aggressive wild monkey, were all manipulated by visual effects. VFX artists from 5,000 different companies were hired to make this movie. The most popular scenes in the movie were the ostrich attack, not even a real one of these ostriches, but they were made using CGI technology. But it was quite challenging for the artists to create them. Baloo made the scene a real stick and had to take a shot of 1900 VFX to create the scene, and all of this was done on the green screen. I Am Legend. In this movie, Will Smith plays a virologist to protect mankind from blood-sucking animals. The movie covers the whole of New York City, not just high-rise buildings, billboards, traffic lights, heavy vehicles and many more, none of which were real, although the creators had to get up to speed to make it all right. The movie had to give more than 800 visual effects to make. The movie shows Will Smith walking through New York City with a gun in his hand, but you would be surprised to know that these were done on a huge stage with the help of a blue screen. Only a few abandoned cars and all this grass was real. Another scene was seen of it being attacked by a virus-affected dog. In fact, it was not a real dog. A man was dressed in green prosthetic hair and makeup, and was dressed in a costume shaped like a dog's head. And it was given a real stick look on the computer, and this is how these affected features were made so that it caught everyone's attention as real on the screen. Guardian of the Galaxy. In the science fiction category, all the characters in this movie are seen roaming in space. Made with 2,600 visual effects, almost 90% of the scenes in this movie were shot. VFX artists had to work hardest to create the characters of Raccoon R. Groot. Groot's character was created by wearing a Grout's head-shaped costume on MC's head, and the rest of the group's entire body was made using CGI technology. However, VFX was used for Groot's eye-to-face movement, and director Visengun himself acted to portray the character of the Rocket. You can see how Sengun Cost is walking with the height just like Raccoon, and the current calligraphy was enhanced by the complete CGA technology and was doing the real thing. And during the post-production, Cooper gave the voice of Rocket, i.e. Recon. Captain America Civil War. The movie is a much more popular scene where Captain America is trying to pull a helicopter down, and it is made in a way that looks very real, but in reality it was impossible to create a helipad on the green screen in the studio. The helipad already had a helicopter ready and had a hydraulic arm. The scene was captured on a green screen. The scene was later replaced by a digital version, and the helicopter was CGA technology, and all of this was digitized. The Hobbit: The Desolation of Smaug became quite popular for the finance ministry. Benedict Cumberbatch played the role of a dragon. This view of the display was created using a motion capture formula. CGI technology was used for the movement of the dragon's face, and this was made possible by tracking every dot on the face with the camera attached to the helmet to see how Benedict was acting on the carpet to capture the scene of the terrifying dragon on display. The VFX team enhanced the dragon by creating several layers, and the movement of the dragon's head was created through the texture applied to the skin. Alien creators can be seen in various scenes of the movie John Carter. See how the alien was created with this CGI suit. However, this person had a helmet on his head where a camera was attached, and the facial movement of the alien was created by capturing the facial 4K of this camera. And the buggies seen in this scene from the movie were actually stunt buggies with costumes and alien spaceships. It seems so realistic on the screen for directory direction. If you like the video, you can share it, and if you like to watch such mysterious, thrilling, uncommon and interesting videos, subscribe to the Magic channel now and press the bell icon. It will be good to see you until the next episode. Thank you.